Here, I'm going to record a quick tutorial for you to get into Baby Outfitter and go and change any of the billboards like the Granny's Corner. First, log in, put in your username and your password. So then once in here, it's actually pretty simple, but here's an error. So pretty simple to get in. Oh, okay. Great. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Don't need cookies. Go back. I haven't had this technical difficulty before logging in here. Okay. We're going to take a minute and it's not going to let me log in. Alright, so enable your cookies. Oh, it's going to let me in now. Okay. Well, as you see, there's technical difficulties to everybody. So first thing we do is run over here to the appearance. Go to widgets. Once we get it to widgets, then you look for whichever page you're on there for, such as this image header feature 1. We're underneath content right is where it gives the countdowns. So we're past countdown to Thanksgiving. I know I got off topic, huh? Because I remembered I needed to change these. But anyway, here's the countdown one. Image header content right. That's the main page countdown. So countdown to, should we do Christmas or Thanksgiving? Or yeah, Christmas or New Year's? Let's do Christmas. You can always change it afterward. Okay, so then you got days, minutes, keep all these the same. Expire type date, and then you'll need to change the day, which will be the 25th. And of course, ask you for hour, just do 0 hours. Show text, and this can be whatever you feel like that gets a good message across. So have yourself a Merry Christmas. And then change the colors. We'll just go from that one. We'll change it to red. It's Christmassy, right? That's bright red. There we go. Select. And everything else can be there. The same. Click save. And we should, it don't always show up in here. Well, I'm going to have to go to visit site. So, it doesn't always show up on this darn page. I don't know why. When we do this. Hey, it's showing up this time. Countdown to Christmas. 23 days, 43 minutes. Alright, so our other ones up here that we want to change is the Granny's quotes. So to do that one, we're back into our panel. We have one more for this, for the Christmas. It's actually down in for Granny's Corner. Let me get to that first. It's the right sidebar, content right. You open that up, see, countdown to Thanksgiving. Let's change that to Christmas, if I can spell it. Countdown to Christmas. Go back down here. Have yourself, okay, yourself a Merry Christmas. Alright, so that one's there. Go back down, just change it to a red. Go up just a little bit and save. So now we have both of them saved. So then if we go over here, click on Granny's Corner, it should bring up our Christmas. Countdown to Christmas. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Oh, I forgot to change the date. Well, at least we know the message works. That's a way to check your message. Okay, so let's see. Our date is going to be December 25th. The 0 hours. Now save it. Now it may or may not have it saved right in here if we refresh the page. And we'll see if it worked. Hey, it worked. That's kind of surprising. It usually don't work the first time. Okay, that all looks good. It's got kind of a green. It's got all Christmas colors. 23 days. Man, I ain't even done Christmas shopping yet. Hi, Sebastian. I'm recording a tutorial for Grandma to learn how to do this. Oh, he left. Sorry, Grandma. Now, back into here. Back to widgets. Close the widget there for countdown right. So we were going into changing Granny's little board. That one is under featured. Which one? It's under image header, featured, number 2. So we open that one up. When we open that one up, okay. So right now it's showing the board. So what we need to do is change that over to text, and you see the code. So the code that you need to change is image source. Right here where it's HTTPS, if it will highlight for me. So inside the quotes, image source. Right there, just go to where the PNG inside the quotes. This is the area that we're going to need to change. So to do that, we come over to media, go to the library. Yes, leave the page. Go to the media library. Once in the media library, we look for, man, I've had to change these into some folders or something, but scroll through and find the Granny's billboards. There's a lot of pictures in here now. I need to get rid of some of those. Okay, there's Granny's quotes. That's when we changed it over to the quotes. Let's see, there's Thanksgiving. Here's Christmas one right here. So open that up, click on it, open it up, and here's the URL. So highlight the URL, get it all, copy that URL. Then we'll need to go back to Appearance, Widgets. Once it gets us there, go back in where I told you that one is, the featured number, image header, featured 2, Granny's Corner. Then you'll have to go into the text. Right here where it says image source equals, right on the other side of inside that quote, we'll grab that, highlight it down to the PNG inside the quote, leave the quote. I usually delete it so I know it's gone, and then where I'm inside the quote, I paste my new one, save that, then go back to visual. There's the Christmas in there. Then we refresh, or actually go back here. Okay, see, so it shows there. Unfortunately, it's not showing it there where the Granny's Corner is. So let's refresh that. Got our countdown. Granny's Corner ain't gonna do it yet. Let's see if inside Granny's Corner. It took it out. What Grandma always said, it usually changes that. See, there's Christmas. Okay, December 2nd, 2017. That's the one we're trying to get here. I haven't posted, so it's not going to show any of that. It may take a minute for it to flush out the cache and bring up Granny's quotes, but it should appear here As long as I did save it. It shows it in here. So the next time I load up, it should show it here. It'd probably take it a couple minutes or more. Sometimes. Go refresh one more time. If not, a lot of times I open it up in Edge and it'll show it in Edge or one of the other browsers. It's gonna take it a minute here. It's supposed to do it when you upload something, but let's check. Here's Edge. Open it in Edge real quick, and then we'll see if it worked. But that's how you change. That's how you change that billboard there, the bistro board, the board. Evidently it ain't gonna let me do it here either. Okay, so babyoutfitter.net. Maybe sometime here today it'll load up and let me do it. Okay, here we go, finally. Outfitter.net. And it usually shows up in this one after I change it. Yeah, no, I said a quick tutorial. Here we are at 12 minutes already. Sorry. Just technical difficulties happen. But we're almost there. Once it pops up and we can verify that it's been changed, we'll all be good. Okay, for some reason it's not wanting to go. Of course not. Okay, go back to Firefox. Check it again here. Like I said, sometimes it takes a few minutes before it'll not want to do it. Now my computer's not really crashing, but it's not behaving like I like it to.